forget, so promise you'll never let go. I don't want no one else, so we should be chilling back. Ain't nothing wrong with that, so tell me that.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Kemana and welcome to my beauty space. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much, you are the shit. On today's video, I wanted to create this look for you guys. Again, you guys know that I'm obsessed with, you know, glowy skin and bronzy skin, so that's what I did on my face. And then I added a pop of color on my lips. I think this is a perfect summer look. The eyes are super simple, barely put anything on it. The main focus of this look is going to be on the glowy bronzy skin and the bold lip color. As you can see, I'm obsessed with it. I think it's so perfect and so pretty. Anyways, before we get started with this tutorial, please, like always, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. Give me a big thumbs up and click on the notification button that I don't know what it is. It's somewhere here or here. I don't know, but you know what it is. Okay, without further ado, let's go ahead and get started with the video, and I will see you guys on the next video. Mwah, bye. Okay, so to start today's look, I don't unfortunately have a drugstore illuminator, so I'm going to be using my NARS. This is the Orgasm Illuminator by NARS, and I love this stuff. Now I'm going to go in and filling my eyebrows, and for that I'm going to be using my Wet n Wild retractable brow pencil. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with foundation, and for that I'm going to be using the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Hydrating Tint. This is hyaluronic acid. This is my very first time trying this. So this is going to be like a little mini first impression because I have a couple of new products that I have not used before. This is going to be my first time trying them. This is going to be a first impression, yeah? I'm in the color 85 Honey. I'm just going to put a little bit where I feel like I need it the most. Doesn't feel like I have anything on my skin. It feels really nice, really light. You can still see my little freckles and imperfections underneath it, but overall my skin looks really flawless and even, so I like it. Now for concealer, I'm gonna go in with my very favorite drugstore concealer ever. This is the Instant Age Rewind by Maybelline. This thing is amazing. I can't even tell you how many tubes of this I've already gone through, seriously. I'm going to bronze my skin really quick, super light, super natural. I'm really excited to use this. This is really new for me. This is the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. I've heard so many things about it, and you guys know how much I love my Milani Baked bronzer. Like, I use that all the time for everything. The thing is my ride or die product, like my holy grail. I love that thing. But I gave in and I picked this up. Oh my god, it smells like the beach. I'm gonna contour / bronze my skin, if that makes any sense. Now with the same bronzer, I'm gonna apply that all over my eyelids. I don't really own a powder drugstore highlight, so I'm gonna be using this eyeshadow from Urban Decay. This is Space Cowboy. This is their Moon Dust, I think, eyeshadow. I'm gonna go in with this in the middle, on the center of my eyelids. First with my ring finger. Now I'm gonna go back to the face. Let me zoom in out a little bit. I'm gonna use, this is new to me, the color though. I have used this. This is the Wet n Wild Halo liquid highlighter. I had the holographic one and I really like that one, so I decided to pick up this one instead to try it. This is the Goddess Glow. So go ahead and I'm gonna apply that on my cheekbone. Now I'm gonna go in with this Milani blush. This is their Big Powder Blush in Dolce Pink. Now I think I'm gonna apply this highlighter on my eyelids. Apply this on the back of my hand. Now I'm going to set under my eyes and on the areas that I don't want to be too shiny with my Neutrogena powder foundation. And for that I'm just going to use the little sponge that comes with it. I'm gonna go in with mascara. I'm not going to apply any false lashes. I'm not gonna curl my lashes. I'm just gonna apply mascara because it's supposed to be a super natural look. But if you want to apply some lashes, then feel free to do so. To highlight the inner parts of my eyes, I'm going to go again with that Wet n Wild liquid highlighter. Now for the fun part, I'm going to go in with this lipstick by Sephora. This is their Luster Matte Long Wear Lip Color, and this is in Magenta Luster.